Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I made a decision to pick up one of the Galaxy Z Fold models, and I picked up the Z Fold 4 used. Let's take a look and see if it is a good fit for you. Now, the Z Fold 4 has a lot of cool features, but one of the things I love most about it is the foldable display. It's amazing to see how much technology has advanced to make this possible. But let's not forget about the cameras. The Z Fold 4 has a great camera setup with a triple rear camera system that includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto. You're also getting a 10 megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. These are not as good as the S23 Ultra, but still take great pictures. Okay, let's talk about the design. The Z Fold 4 is sleek and modern with a slim profile that makes it easy to take with you on the go. And with a 7.6-inch foldable display, you're getting a lot of screen real estate for your favorite apps and media. Now let's take a look at some B-roll footage of the Z Fold 4 in action. Fold 4 comes with a 4400 milliamp hour battery. It supports super fast charging, fast wireless charging 2.0, and reverse wireless charging, so you can charge another device. It also is 5G capable. It uses Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2. It has a USB Type-C connection for charging. Powering the Z Fold 4 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 12 gigs of RAM, and your choice, it comes in 256 gig or 512 or a 1 terabyte model. Here is a size comparison next to the S23 Ultra. As you can see, the Z Fold 4 is much slimmer, not as wide, and much shorter than the S23 Ultra, which means it will fit into most pockets without an issue. For this phone, I picked up a Samsung case that holds the S Pen. Very easy, just pop it on there. Pop the other screen on there like so, and that will make it very easy to hold. It also gets rid of the gap to a point. On the new Z Fold 5, there is no gap, so you can see there is a slight gap. But if that doesn't bother you, definitely check out the Z Fold 4. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone with a unique and innovative design. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the Z Fold 4 for yourself. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you'll be alerted when new videos are uploaded. See you next time.